This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a silver maple interior, sleeps 8, refrigerator, smoke detector, Slideout, stove-top burner, TV, leveling jacks, microwave, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is 15,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.